our first stop is going to be right behind you, which is a theater/restaurant bar. We're also very known for our traditional drink, which is called pisco sour. It's very tricky because it can be very sweet, but it's strong. It's sort of like our tequila, okay? So, but we want you guys to know, get your spirits up and everything. Arriba! Abajo! Pa'l centro! Pa' dentro! Salud!
Chile.
But this actually, we call it in Spanish, cuchufli. What is a cuchufli? It's a wafer stick. Right after our independence in 1810, we had big influences from the English, the French, the Italians, and Prussians. But later in that century, we had the biggest influence from the Palestinians. The second wave of migrants that we had back in the 60s, South Koreans. And the last group of people that came, the Peruvians. So actually, they brought a lot of flavors and colors, and that's why you get to see in the city a lot of Peruvian restaurants.
This market opens every single day. You're going to be seeing a lot of fruits, some vegetable, and different kind of stuff. A very important thing here in the market, in Chile, in any market about fruits and vegetables, we don't bargain prices. We establish a relationship through time with the people that sell food to us. And then at some point, the vendor realizes your loyalty and rewards that loyalty, what we call a yapa. What is a yapa? Yapa is a Quechua word that means extra.
Santiago used to be part of the Inca Road, so basically indigenous were living here in order to interact with other nations of indigenous community, to trade seeds, to trade food, knowledge, information, you call it. Pedro de Valdivia, by the middle of the 16th century, arrived here. So they arrived here on 1541 and they found Santiago. Major plazas or Plaza de Armas have that same intention among colonization in Latin America.